Happy Monday, everybody. Today is Macro Monday. I don't know why Mondays are my favorite, but today's topic is why protein is your secret weapon. Have you ever wondered which macro matters the most when trying to lose fat, balance your blood sugar, or just stay full longer than 20 minutes? Let me make it simple. Protein is your secret weapon. Unlike carbs, protein doesn't spike your blood sugar. Keyword there, spike. And unlike fat, protein actually triggers your satiety hormones, including peptide YY and GLP-1. That tells your brain, I'm good, I don't need any more food right now. It also helps to preserve lean mass while you're losing weight, especially important if you're older, like me, or you're post-bariatric, like me, or you're postmenopausal, like me, right? Or you're just trying to avoid skinny fat. But here's the trick. Most people, especially women, undereat protein. If you always feel like you're hungry or craving junk or stalling on your progress, start here. Here's today's nugget. Protein is the macro that keeps you full without backfiring. Prioritize it at every meal. So hit subscribe and stay tuned because I've got an upcoming video that dives deeper into why protein matters more than fat and how to calculate your needs. That's always been a little confusing to me, so I'll do a deep dive on that. You don't want to miss it. And also check out Why I Eat Like a Man. It's a daily spoonful. Don't forget, fat burns best with protein as your partner.